In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Webflow code and host it online 2025. We'll start with a quick checkpoint. If you search for this topic online, you'll see an important note right away. Exporting Webflow code in 2025 requires a paid site or workspace plan. Expand the details if you need to confirm which plans qualify. With that in mind, let's jump into Webflow. Open your project in the Designer. In the top menu, look for the Export option. This opens the Export panel, where you can review what's included. When you're ready, choose to prepare the files. Webflow bundles your pages, styles, scripts, and assets into a clean package. Once the preparation finishes, download the zip. Save it somewhere easy to find, then extract the folder on your computer so you have your index, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images ready to go. Now for hosting the exported code. Think of this as uploading a static website. No Webflow backend required. If you want the fastest possible path, use Tiny.host. Upload your zip, let it process, and you'll get a live link in seconds. It's great for demos, proofs of concept, or lightweight sites. If you prefer a developer-friendly option with quick performance, try Netlify. Drag the extracted folder directly into the Netlify site uploader, and it will deploy your static site for free. You'll get an instant URL and the ability to set a custom domain later. It's fast, reliable, and ideal for most static exports. You can also use Vercel. It works similarly. Connect a repository or upload your project, and Vercel will deploy it and give you a live preview URL. It's especially convenient if you plan to version control your exported site. GitHub Pages is another solid choice. Push your exported files to a repository, enable GitHub Pages in the repository settings, and set the source to your main branch or docs folder. Make sure index.html sits at the root of whatever you publish so the homepage loads correctly. A few essential reminders before you wrap up. You must be on an eligible paid plan to use Webflow's export feature. That's a hard requirement. Dynamic CMS content does not export as a live CMS. You'll get the current static output. Forms and certain Webflow-specific functionalities won't work without a backend, so consider third-party form handlers or simple serverless options if you need submissions. Complex interactions or custom code may need a quick test on your chosen host. If you want inspiration or reference examples tailored to exports, resources like community showcase sites can help you compare structure and troubleshoot. That's it. Export from Webflow, host on your preferred platform, and you're live. Test your pages, check links and assets, and you're good to